For me, the traineeship at FrieslandCampina
is learning and developing myself.
Making an impact on the world and develop yourself by doing that.
creating better nutrition for the world.
The traineeship at FrieslandCampina is a 2-year program in which you have 2 roles of 1 year. We start this traineeship together with a peer group.
Having contact with my fellow trainees actually allows for me to not only work at FrieslandCampina but also have fun at FrieslandCampina. So what's really surprising to me was that FrieslandCampina not only makes milk and yogurt and desserts and all the things that you see in the shelves in the supermarket.
We also produce ingredients for a lot of other products, such as the pharmaceutical industry, but also for coffee creamers and many other consumer products that have milk in them.
There are like 100,000 ingredients in milk, and we try to separate each of these components and try to isolate them and try to find out their functions.
The FrieslandCampina supply chain is really from the beginning to the end, so from grass to glass. The whole process in between is very complex, as you can imagine, but also gives it a great challenge to work in the supply chain of FrieslandCampina.
For supply chain trainees, you have to work in a factory first year, which is very cool. You are allowed to see where the supply chain of FrieslandCampina actually starts.
Technology is really important here. We see ourselves as a great added valuer to milk, so we're trying to make the most special products out of milk. To make that, you really need the state-of-the-art technology. State-of-the-art technology requests a lot of investments, also a lot of R&D, and a lot of people with bright minds to think of what you can do with milk, and then just do it.
It's very interesting to look at how to optimize this supply chain and make sure it's as sustainable as possible.
Some sustainability projects where I'm working on, for instance, are the manure digestion and accelerating the placement of solar panels. As a trainee, I got the responsibility to really lead the pilot we did. And for the solar panels, we see that there's a big possibility to contribute to the energy transition in the Netherlands. We're going to install 200 megawatts of capacity of solar panels on our farmers' rooftops, on 600 of them. We still have 12,000 other farmers to go, so we have a big potential to provide the Netherlands from green energy from the farms. In the end, you want to feed the world with healthy products, but it also should not destroy all the world around us.
Actually providing people with something that they value, that's very important. Knowing that you actually add something to their lives is one of the most satisfying things you can actually do for your work.